Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to look at some pictures of a DC-3 that was at Blue Ash Airport days back in Blue Ash, Ohio in 2003, before they closed the airport and made it a dog park. But here's some pictures of a DC-3 from Delta Airlines on display during the show. And we'll have some other pictures for you. Please enjoy. Thanks for watching. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Enjoy.